Yeah, we're getting a few flurries right now, but knowing that the snow is going to pick up is welcome news for businesses that rely on it. Today, I spoke with a few students at the School of Mines who recently invested in Colorado snow and have yet to see a return. Coffee fuels college students.
Exactly, yeah, it totally does.
Nathan Spalding and Zach Russo are no different. They're seniors at the School of Mines. Together, they started a business to help fund coffee costs, but more importantly, their tuition.
Just wanted to support the community during the season, and a little extra cash.
They had the business plan, supplies, and entrepreneurial spirit.
Yes.
But they haven't made a single dollar.
Well, so far we have had no clients because we've had no snow.
Spalding took the lead in creating front range snow removal.
We do per snow and monthly. That way there's a little bit of flexibility. If you want to just know that you're secure for the month, your driveway is going to be clear, you have that. Or if you're just wanting to know that it's clear anytime it snows.
He's lived in Colorado for 3 years and had full faith in the side gig.
It's totally weird. In previous years, it has snowed in October, end of October. Last year, I remember there was a week of snow straight in November.
His phone line has been like the ground in Golden, dry, but change is in the forecast.
In light of that, we've been making some posts, and I've been super slammed this morning. I've been running around, I've gotten a ton of quotes. I've had like 10 different calls this morning of people suddenly interested in snow removal because they look at the forecast and see how much snow they're getting tomorrow.
The Denver Metro is preparing for its first large snowfall Wednesday. Though later than expected, the snow is right on time, as Spalding and Russo are fueled up to go to work. Front Range Snow Removal says that they price based on driveway size. Quotes are free and services range between $40 and $100. Live in Golden, Janelle Finch, 9 News.